Good day everyone. So have you ever wondered why there are so many different colors of engine coolant? So let me show you this. So you can see here there's a color orange right there. So that's the coolant, the color of the coolant for this engine. So let me show you the water pump. So I just removed the water pump assembly and the coolant hoses. Let me show you this. Right now this is the thing or the parts that we called coolant pump. Yeah, this is the old one. So the reason why we removed this thing is because coolant is escaping right here. Yeah, you can see there's an orange thing here, and yeah, so this one is the brand new. This is a genuine part. Yeah, before I install it I have to make sure that I have the right parts, so making sure that the holes is right. Yeah, making sure, just double check before you install it. And also we are going to replace this thing because there's a leak here, there's a leak here, and there's a leak here. Coolant is leaking there. So yeah, we're going to replace that too. We don't want back job, you know what I'm saying? So that goes there, and the other pipes, it goes up there. You can see guys, the space is too tight, you know what I'm saying? Now back to the topic. So the coolant color, or the color of the coolant for this car, let me show you, is color pink. Let me now, why coolant has different colors? Well, others said to distinguish their product from others on the market. But us, as a mechanic, sometimes it helps because we can easily identify it if it is an engine coolant, a washer fluid, or it's an engine oil. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But still, I strongly suggest, please do a coolant pressure leak test. Now that the coolant pump is installed, we're going to place this connector here and putting things back together. Game. Now, others are confused after removing drive belt. They forgot the proper orientation of the drive belt. So my tip is, please do a picture of your drive belt or for the proper orientation, or make a drawing before you try to remove your drive belt. But if you have a workshop manual, well, that's great. But if you don't have, well, I strongly suggest just do a drawing or take a picture before you remove your drive belt. Now, before we put back the splash shield, the wheels, we're going to double check. Yeah, we don't want back job, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, and we will do a pressure test for coolant, and after pressure test we start the engine just to make sure we don't have any leak. Now I just did the vacuum and filling of coolant. Sorry guys, I don't have a time for you to show the vacuum and filling. I will do a video for that. But now let's find out. Hopefully there's no leak, guys. So we put 21 psi, but first I have to remind you guys, please hold for at least 10 minutes the 21 psi before you do an inspection. Now we do an inspection for this. No leak. We replace that pipe, yeah, the upper side, and this one too, the hose, we replace that too. No leak. And a water pump, yeah, we replace that too also. Seems great. No leaks. Now we're going to do is to start the engine.